let's discuss clip art. So we want to insert a picture of a particular item, whatever that might be. We're going to learn how to search clip art, and then we're going to talk about how to insert it. And once that clip art's inserted, we're also going to talk about how it interacts with other text. So let's go take a look at how we use clip art in Microsoft Word. Alright, so let's get into graphics. We want to know how to insert some clip art into our Word document. So it will always insert the clip art where your cursor is. So I would like to insert this clip art at the beginning of this document. And I'd like the clip art to appear, let's say in that area there as a square, and then I would like the text to wrap around next to it. So I'm going to take you through how we would go through that procedure. You put your cursor where you'd like to insert the clip art, you go to the Insert tab along the ribbon, and then you click Clip Art. Now that's going to pop up the Clip Art task pane over on the side of your screen. Okay, it's got some links on it. We'll just scroll through so you can see. And then you type in what you'd want to search for. So if I would just like to see all the clip art, I can simply leave it blank, hit the Go button, and then it pops up a bunch of default clip art down in this bottom window. So here's the clip art found in the bottom portion of the window. Now within this clip art there's a whole bunch of pre-done clips. Okay, if I wanted to search for something specific, I can type that in the search for box. So I'm going to type in TV because I'd like to find a TV. You have search in and where you want to search, if you just want to search everywhere or just in your collections, in the office collections, or maybe just on the web. And then you also have a choice of what the file type should be as results. So let's say I would like clip art, photographs, but I'm not interested in movies and sounds right now, so I'm going to unclick those. And then I would simply hit the Go button. So after I hit Go, it pops up my search results here. And through the search results, I'd find a picture that I'd want, again ensuring that my cursor is where I want to insert this picture, and then I simply would click on it. So if I click on the piece of clip art I want, I'm going to click on this piece here. It inserts that particular graphic where your cursor was. Now, just to give us a little bit more space on our screen, I'm going to close this clip art window, and I want to discuss for a minute how I can change how this picture acts with surrounding text. So if I click on the picture, you have your Picture Tools contextual tab that would have popped up, as well as a Format tab. So we want to go there, and then you can use the button that's labeled Arrange. Now if I click the Arrange button, okay, you actually might have a separate button listed. Just to quickly show you, if I maximize the window, you'll notice that it will be listed as a separate button. It's right there called Text Wrapping. If you have a smaller window, like the one I have, you will have to click the Arrange button and then choose Text Wrapping. And under Text Wrapping, I can decide and choose how I want the text to act around that picture. So I'm going to choose Square, and you'll notice as soon as I do that, the text wrap has changed. So now that it's text next to my picture, and I also have the ability to move this now. So I can move this picture anywhere in my document and we'll rewrap that text. And what I would like to just point out is under Arrange there are lots of other ways to wrap text. We can do tight, which goes into any extra white space, behind text, in front of text, just on the top of the bottom in text, and through the text, meaning the picture would actually be overlaying over top of the text in the document. So you have lots of different ways to actually choose your text wrap, and there you have it. That's how you can add in clip art as well as work with text wraps with graphics. So there you have it. Clip art's a great resource if you want to add in those little pictures, spice up a letter or a little memo around the office, whatever it might be. It's a quick way, search through your clip art, find the picture you want, insert it, and then decide on what text wrapping you'd like to use.